Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a control panel shortcut on your desktop. The first thing you're going to do is click on your desktop where you want the shortcut to go, then go to New, and then Shortcut. Now you're going to type in the percent symbol, Wind, W-I-N-D, IR, percent symbol, backslash, system, capital S-Y-S-T-E-M, 32, backslash, control, control.exe. Now click Next. Call it Control Panel, and then click Finish. As you can see, I now have a control panel icon on my desktop, and if I double click on it, it opens the control panel. So that's how you add a control panel shortcut to your desktop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one.